Mayar base jaccho bhese khacho habulu. You are being carried away by the waves of this material nature, and we have submitted to the laws of material nature. And therefore we are subjected to birth, death, old age and disease. And not only birth, there is no guarantee what kind of birth next life. So we should not misuse this. Labdha sudullamamidam bahusam bhavanti manasam. We should not waste our this valuable life, human form of life. We begin our this evolution. First of all, the world is covered with water. Pralaya payadhijale dhitavanasi vedam. Now still, the 3/4 of this earthly planet is covered with water. In the beginning, there was the whole earthly planet was covered with water. Gradually, the water is drying up and the land is coming. Then we are calculating this is Asia, this is America, this is in Europe, and land is coming out. And gradually, land, there will be only land, no water. That means destruction. When there will be no water and scorching heat, the whole earthly planet will be ablaze and everything will be burned into ashes. Then again there will be rainfall and everything will be mixed up, and then again there will be destruction. This is going on. Bhutta praliyate. And similarly our position with this body, this will be also dissolved again. This nice form you have got, I have got, but when it is finished, this is finished forever. You are not going to get any more. You will get different body, not exactly this body. It is bubble, one bubble, lost. That is lost forever. That is lost forever. But we are so foolish, we are thinking this is permanent settlement. Permanent settlement. This is called ignorance. There is no question of permanent settlement. Temporary, under the prakriti kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasa, under the laws of nature, you are getting different types of bodies, different types of opportunities, and it is going on. But we are spirit soul. We are not this material body. So we must have sense and take shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead to save ourselves from this material condition of life, repetition of birth, death, old age and disease. And if you think, when Krishna says that you surrender unto me, I will give you protection. So because we are foolish, we think Krishna as ordinary human being. Avajananti magamura, manusim tanumasa. Because we are muras, rascals, we think that Krishna is a person like us. Manusim. Krishna is very kind. He comes to be visible by us exactly in the same way as we are. Manusam, tanum. But we think when Krishna comes, he is a man. He is a man like us. God is different. Avajananti magamura. Because we are muras. Param bhava avajananta. So they do not know what is Krishna. Therefore when Krishna demands, sarvadharman parityajya mameng saranam bhaja. We foolish people, we think, it is too much. Krishna is so proud that he is commanding us that you surrender unto me. I am not so fool. I am not going to do that. This is the position. Mudha. Because Mudha, they are taking Krishna as ordinary human being. Because he is so kind, he comes as human being and gives you the right information, right instruction. But we are so rascal that we do not accept it. do not accept it. That is our misfortune. Those who are fortunate enough, they accept Krishna. Bahunam janmanamanti jnanavan mam pravadati. That fortune comes not so easily. After struggling, after associating with Vaishnava, with devotees, after cultivating knowledge for many, many births. So, we should take the chance. We should not be foolish. Don't be foolish. Mura. Just surrender to Krishna and execute Krishna's service, what Krishna says, do that, you'll be saved. You'll be saved from these clutches of Maya, repetition of birth and death. Even if you fall down, if you do not be able to execute devotional service fully, still you will get next chance as a human being. Suchinang simatangehi yoga bhrashta sanjayate. You will get again chance of this human body. But if you don't take Krishna consciousness, then there is no guarantee. You can become next life, cat, dog, tree or anything, according to the infection and quality. But if you become Krishna conscious, and if you give even little service to Krishna, your next life as human being is guaranteed. And that is not ordinary human life. Suchinang simatangehi. Tattva sadharmam charanambujam hare bhajanna pakkota patet tato jati. Narad Muni said that if one engages himself in devotional service out of sentiment, it doesn't matter. Still, if he does some service to Krishna, then he is gainer. And one who is very practical, does not take to Krishna consciousness and take to material activities and thinks that he is very advanced, there is no gain. He is under karma. According to karma, he will get body. But a Krishna conscious human being, even though he is unable to execute properly, even if he falls down, his human life is guaranteed. His human life is guaranteed. And that life in a rich family and in very nice, purified family. Suchina. Suchinang means purified family. Nice Brahman Vaishnava family. Or Srimatang. Sri means opulence. Those who are possessing opulence means big mercantile family, big rich family, or big nice Brahman Vaishnava family. You get again chance. Just like the children of these Krishna conscious members, from childhood they are getting this boy, Mr. West, he is getting chance to worship Krishna. So this is Suchinang, Simatangehi. How he is satisfied. There are so many children in our Krishna consciousness movement. From the very beginning of life, they have got chance for chanting Hare Krishna, attending Mangalarati, taking prasadam, and reading Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita. Life is successful. Just see. So we are, after giving chance to the bewildered persons, misled person, materialistic person, to take up this Krishna consciousness movement, and their success is guaranteed. Because Krishna says, Aham tva sarva papebhya mokkhaisami. If you think Krishna is ordinary person, how? Therefore Krishna says that don't think me that I am ordinary person. Under my direction, the wind is blowing, the sea is working, the sun is hitting, and so many things are going on. Maya, Dakshina, Prakriti. Don't take me so slightly. Everything is explained. Now it is our business to accept it or not accept. Thank you very much.